Hey everyone, and welcome to Scuba Travel and Adventure. My name is Thomas. In this footage we took a road trip from Calgary, Alberta to British Columbia, West Coast, Pacific Ocean to experience a different way of diving than I was normally used to in tropical destinations. We made to Vancouver, British Columbia, and then we took a ferry to Sunshine Coast, and on the way we have stopped in Sechelt to get the first feel of the ocean, what that part of the country has to offer. Then we loaded our gear and headed back to the dock, where we got picked up by a transfer boat to Egmont, BC by Purpose Bay Charters. We stayed on that island for a few days where we did spectacular diving and experienced a totally different underwater world, where I've seen sponges and soft corals that I have never seen anywhere else. And it was dark while we were diving, but the visibility was quite good. And that trip took place end of March, beginning of April. The weather was sunny comparing to what it was at that time of the year in Calgary. All the trees and flowers were blooming, hummingbirds flying all around, and while we were staying there with Purpose Bay Charters, we were staying at the Yurts, which were designed for divers, and everything was pretty much diver oriented in that area. The only thing is that during the diving we had to watch the tides, as they were changing quite drastically throughout the dive days. And also in that resort we had homemade meals that were prepared for us daily. If you have never experienced that kind of diving, I strongly recommending add it to your bucket list, as this is a very unique experience to dive that part of the world and see all these ancient sponges and different creatures. You can also encounter sometimes a big giant Pacific octopus. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get updated when I release new content. Like and comment below.